Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to win in Anno 1800. To achieve victory, focus on building a robust, self-sustaining economy from the ground up. Your primary goal is to satisfy the ever-increasing needs of your citizens, allowing them to advance through various social tiers. This progression unlocks new buildings, technologies, and opportunities for expansion, ultimately leading to a thriving global empire and your ultimate triumph. A strong economy is the bedrock of your success. Begin by establishing essential production chains for goods such as fish, schnapps, and work clothes to meet your farmers' initial demands. Crucially, ensure your income consistently remains in the positive, ideally by several hundred coins per minute, to fund further development. Efficiently manage trade routes between your islands to distribute resources and finished products, maximizing your profits and growth. Advancing your population tiers is key to unlocking new possibilities. Start by fully satisfying the needs of your farmers to upgrade them into workers. Then, provide more sophisticated goods and services, like sausages and soap, to elevate your workers to artisans. Finally, meet the complex demands of your engineers, including coffee and electricity, to unlock the prestigious investor tier, the pinnacle of your society. As your empire grows, expansion becomes vital. Secure new islands in both the old and new worlds to access unique resources such as oil, cotton, and coffee. Develop a powerful navy of at least 5 to 10 ships to protect your valuable trade routes and assert your dominance over rivals. Ultimately, achieving a large population of investors, perhaps 20,000 or more, signifies your complete mastery and victory in Anno 1800.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.